I hope everyone joined again. Let's share my screen once so that we can continue. Okay, fine. Now, as I am saying that, as I have done for addition, I will do same it for subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's see the output. I will do one for subtraction, one for multiplication, one for division. As I am writing that subtraction means that if A is value is 2, B value is 3, I will store C is equals to A minus B. For multiplication, I will use it as C is equals to A star B. A star B means that in Python, we use asterisk value instead of a cross mark. As we use cross mark in mathematics, we use here asterisk character for multiplication. Now for division, we use a slash value, slash character for division. Now let's print and see how does the output comes. When we added A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to A plus B, when I printed C, the output is 5. When I done again, the A value is 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to A minus B, print C means that 2 minus 3 is nothing but a minus 1. Okay, chat. Now multiplication, A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to 2 into 3. When I print C again here, that means 2 3 just 6. We got 6 here. And the next one, A is equal to 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to A by B. Print C, 2 by 3, which is nothing but 0.666, so on. It's not terminating. Now, I have a question chat for you. As I have written, A value is equals to 2, B is equals to 3 here again and again. Is it important to write always the A value and B value for every time, for every arithmetic operator for checking? A value should be 2, B. If I write once, isn't enough for it? Isn't it enough for it? Writing one time and writing C is equals to A plus B, C is equals to A minus B, C is equals to A star B, and C is equals to A slash B, and printing C value for every operation do I do, does it important to write again and again? Yeah, one time is enough because when I store A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, it will be get stored inside A and B, and I can use any number of time that I want. See, when I print again, when I run this, let's see, will my output vary? There is something problem here, I guess. When I run this again, yeah, I have this same output here, like before. You can see 5 minus 1, 6, 0.66. Like before, I have same output again. See, I have same output. That means it's once enough to write. It is once enough to write. This is how the arithmetic operator works. Now I will write. Now I will write the next assignment operators. Let's see assignment operator how works. Okay, how assignment operators work. For assignment operator, what I do is I will assign a value a as some number 9. Let's take some another alphabet like x is equals to 9. Now, as I have taken x is equal to 9 here, hmm, what I'm going to do is print x and c, print x and c. Now, what I will do is I will comment all these statements as I don't have work this time with this arithmetic operator. I have commented all these statements and I will keep only these assignment operators right now to for your better understanding. Now x is equals to 9 and I print x, I will get definitely 9 and I got it. Now as I am assigning a value 9 to variable x, when I display it, I get as 9, which is the first assignment operator as is equal to. This time what I'm going to do is when I write x plus is equal to 1 and print x, let's see what does the output comes from. What does the output comes with? The output has been came as first one is 9, which is x equal to 9. I agree. Now x plus is equals to 1 is print x that is 10. Okay. It is when I printed x here, it got to 10. Now what does x plus is equals to 1 is doing here? It does the addition assignment here. X plus is equal to 1 means that x is equal to x plus 1. Instead of writing x is equals to x plus 1, when we write x plus is equal to 1, even it works because it is a shorthand notation of x is equals to x plus 1. So I will get as 10 plus 1. Here, my x was 9, which is 9 plus 1, and x is equal to 10. When I print x, I will get the output as 10. This is how x plus is equals to 1 works. Let's take x minus is equal to 1. Here the value is got updated. Now my x is 10 here. Let you guys remember, here x is 10. When I print x, what will be the output of the x now? Make sure that x minus is equal to 1 is a shorthand notation of x is equal to x minus 1. Shall we see chat what will be the output of this print x? Let's see once. When I run, I will find out that first it has 9, then we added 1 with x plus is equals to 1. That means x is equals to x plus 1. And we are printing it as 10. And when we have done x minus is equal to 1, which is nothing but x is equals to x minus 1. First, we have it as 10 minus 1. First, we have it as 10, and we are subtracting with minus 1. We get it as 9. Again, as print x, the answer is 9. You can see. In this way, the assignment operator works. There are only 3 assignment operators. And in this way, it works. And these are the shorthand and longhand notations. Okay, chat, are you able to understand the assignment operators? No. Next, we have the other operators, which is comparison operators and logical operators that we will be seeing in conditional statements, which is the upcoming topic of our Python course, and we will be seeing in that so we can understand in a better manner. We actually use it for seeing that conditions are happening or not. Conditions, if so and so condition is getting agreed, some another condition is getting denied. And we use comparison there, we use some logical there, some logic there. So for that, we use so we will be seeing comparison operators and logical operators with conditional statements. Okay, chat? Now, operators are completed for now. Do you have any doubt regarding this, chat? Are you able to understand? Do you have any doubt? Are you able to understand, chat? Yes. Just you need to do is type yes or no. That's it. So I can understand that you people are understanding what I'm saying. Okay. Now, as we have covered strings in data types, we know that string is nothing but a sequence of characters. Sequence of characters which are quoted, which are quoted. Quoted means absolutely quotation marks. Absolutely quotation marks. Now, everything which are sequence of characters and got quoted are string. This is the absolute definition of string. What if I use single quotation marks? Will it not be a string? No, it will also be a string. When you use a single quotation mark, it will be called as single quoted strings. When I write STEMiranthNexus in single quotation, it is called as single quoted strings. When I write in double quotation mark, it called as double quoted strings. When I write in triple quoted string, triple quotation marks, it called as triple quoted strings. Simple. The number of quotations we have, the number of quoted strings that it becomes. This is the simple thing. And this is how the string is there. And in string, we have an important concept that is called as string slicing. String slicing is very important concept and very kind of problem solving thing, which is used for handling strings and problem solving. See carefully and observe it so that you can understand in better way. What I do is I take a string here named S as Rahul. String is very case sensitive, so I will write in all caps. So S is equals to Rahul. I have taken a string in a variable S with a name Rahul. Now, which is as there in these blocks. This I have taken this string. Now each character is stored in a box. Each character is stored in a box here, like R, A, H, U, and L. As you can see here, that each character is stored inside a string. Now, for each character, there is a particular position inside a string. Now, particular position inside a string is referred as particular position inside a string is referred as index. What it referred as, chat? It is referred as index. Now, the index value of R is 0. The index value of A is 1, 2 for H, 3 for U, 4 for L. Now I'm giving the positions for characters inside the string with the name of index. That's okay. We am giving so values, so and so values. But how am I doing that? I am doing with the rule of this, that when you start doing indexing a number, you do with 0 first, first and foremost letter, then 1 for second letter, second character, 2 for third character, 3 for fourth character, so on. If we have n characters in our string, then the nth character in the string position is index is n minus 1. Now in a Rahul word, we have 5 letters. We have 5 letters. And the number of letters in a string is called as string length. String length, which is nothing but number of letters. String length is equal to number of letters. Now, number of letters in the string is termed as string length. And the string length for Rahul is, what is the string length of Rahul, chat? Can you say what is the length of the Rahul string length? Is 5. Because we have 5 letters, RAHUL. And the indexing is done from 0 to n minus 1. We have here 5 letters. When we assume it as n, the n minus 1 will be 4. So 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the index position of the characters inside a string. Now we have got to understood that how to position characters inside a string. Now, as I have done in forward way, I have positioned from R to L. Now I want to position the character from back to front in backward direction. What should I do? I should start with minus 1. I should start with minus 1. Then go to minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. Minus 1. It's very simple, chat. See now, when I have taken Rahul string, I will take the 0th position of the string, I will get R. And even when I take minus 5 position of the string Rahul, even though I will get R. Because when we go in backward direction, we will start from minus 1. Then we will go to minus 2, minus 3. We will start decreasing numbers here in backward direction. This is how Backward indexing work. For forward, we go to 0 to n minus 1. For backward, in negative numbers, it get decreases one by one. Are you able to understand, chat? How does we do indexing in strings? This is not string slicing. This is just a introductory concept that how can we do indexing position in strings and what is a string length. Are you able to understand, chat, all these concepts regarding strings? Can I see yes or no regarding that? Is everyone okay regarding this? Anyone have doubt? Do anyone have any doubt? Want to ask something for explanation? Okay, I think it's enough for today. And if anyone have doubt, you can ask me right now. If not, I will end the meeting for today. And tomorrow we will discuss what is string slicing and what are the string functions which can make it to and use it to play with strings and also help in problem solving of strings. Do you have any doubts, chat? If you have any doubts, you can stay in the meeting. If you have any, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave the meeting. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I think no one have any doubts. So I'm gonna end meeting for today. Okay then.